Well, hey folks, Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about American bill money and what we've got going on with it. The possibilities are endless with this program. We've got some important updates we're going to share with you in this video. Conference call will be held again on every Tuesday. That is the first, second, and the fourth Tuesday. Every first, second, fourth Tuesday. And if it's Tuesday and you're watching this video, we want you to make sure you pay attention to it, guys, and get on the call. Get your friends on the call. If you're a team member, get on the call and make sure we get our other folks on the call. Hey, folks, let me run this intro. I'm going to bring you some important updates right after this. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Go ahead and like the video, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. The channel is about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. Again, before we deep dive in this video, guys and gals, make sure we check out the channel, and you can see the great things that we've got going on. Working home has never been this fun and simple to do. Okay, friends, our conference call will be held on Tuesday night. And if you're watching this video, and if it's Tuesday, if it's a second or either the first, the second, or the fourth Tuesday, make sure you get on the call. The information to get on the call, the conference call, will be below the video. Get on the live call. Hey, on tonight's conference call, we're going to be honoring Revan Wilson. We know Revan Wilson has transitioned from this life, and he worked diligently with us, and I cannot say more about how blessed we were to have him in our lives. And he would have us to move on, to keep going, striving for financial freedom, striving for those things that was important to us. And I will never forget the things that he helped us do. We'll have a moment of silence on the next call for him, and keep his family in your prayers, so he will never be forgotten. Okay, folks, American bill money, folks, is America's #1 residual income system, and it's just absolutely, guys, on a tear to the upside. People are joining every single day. People are joining. Sometimes people are joining. We have multiple signups a day. We have people upgrading on a daily basis in American bill money. Let me show you what just came in right here. Let me get over here to it. Okay, right here as I record the video, I want to congratulate Charles for upgrading from starter to the basic level. Congratulations, Charles, for upgrading, folks. And got a new referral just came in. Joanne just came in from the time I'm recording this video. So great things are happening, folks. American bill money. If you're not a member, folks, you want to join today. It's just that good. You want to get involved with American bill money. It has 3 levels of participation. We've got what we call the starter. Everybody starts for $50 at the starter. And then there's the basic for $150. And then we've got the $250, the deluxe. And then we've got the big one of all, the money order freedom, which is where I'm at, the money order freedom, which has a 1-year subscription and 2-year subscription. But you get in where you fit in, folks. Everybody starts American bill money at the basic, and it's just absolutely incredible. You're going to get a website that looks just like this. This website converts like it's nobody's business. You're going to get a lead capture page. This website will do all the selling, telling, explaining for you, so you never have to. People can look at the earnings calculator. Folks, we get paid down through 3 levels. And then you can play with this earnings calculator, folks, and you refer, let's say 9 people refer 3 people down through 3 levels. They do the same. Your monthly earnings, $8,000 a month. Folks, is it possible? Absolutely yes. Of course, as an income disclaimer, nothing in life happens until you take action, and you do a lot of it. Folks, look at the system. It is proven. It has paid out millions since 2003. 21 years in business, 24/7 marketing system. Folks, this system works for us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it is unbeatable. We have postcards, drop cards, a website. It is exciting times ahead, and we're just getting started as to where we're going. We again have the team conference calls We've got a proven flyer, thaw-proven postcards, and drop cards. Folks, the flyer, people are coming on the flyer on a daily basis, and the postcards are working also. Products and service help anyone can build their income anonymously. A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. 3 powerful pay plans. Folks, if you're at the basic, if you're at the starter, you may want to consider getting upgraded to the basic level. Basic is $150 per month. If you're a basic level and you get another basic member up under you, folks, you're going to be making $85, which is the $10 starter, and $75 per month. That's $85 per person. And when you have somebody that is a basic member joining your team. Folks, no computer skill is needed. All you do is send out the postcard and or the flyer, pause the video, listen to this call, and folks, look at this. This is the product, the service, the value. For the sake of this video, I'm going to pause. You can just pause the video. Look at what you get, folks. The leads, the use of the sizzle call number, the generic use of the capture page, our follow-up services. Folks, the system will follow up until they join or unsubscribe. $30 fast start paid weekly. You bring somebody in this week, you're going to pay next week. Like clockwork. This is exciting. Personalized flyer and money saving coupon. Folks, look at our postcards. We have 5 different postcards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful full color picture postcards that convert like it's nobody's business. And I'm excited. I'm excited about it. You're invited. You're invited to join American Build Money today. It's just that good. Here's our drop card, and here's the flyer. People can fill out that flyer. They can put their information on the front, back, and mail into the company. The guy that upgraded, I just had an upgrade. He was one that joined from my flyer. He got the welcome kit from the company, looked it over, and he upgraded with American Build Money. So, folks, if people don't have a computer, they can join by the flyer. The flyer is incredible. And also the postcards. Folks, this is exciting. I cannot stress the importance. You're going to get a cover letter when you join our team. Here are the postcards, folks. Here are the postcards. They are amazing. They are converting. You can mail these postcards all by themselves, put a stamp and a name label, or you can mail them inside of an envelope with a copy of the cover letter inviting people to the conference call. Folks, there is our drop card. Your ID number will go here. And here is our, flyer that's converting like it's nobody's business. Look at that flyer, folks. People can check as they can send in the cash, check, money order, debit card. And I am sending it on a daily basis. Folks, this is incredible. As you can see, I cannot tell you any more simpler. People are joining this thing every single day to the week. Exciting times, my friends, are up ahead. And we're just getting started. Let me get back over here. Okay. Yeah, when you join, folks, they can email you your flyer. The company will email you a copy of your flyer if you just request it. And the follow-up system, folks. The follow-up system. I cannot stress the fact, the email, if people go to the website, the follow-up, unlimited follow-up. We will follow up with all your prospects with our emails, voicemails, text messages until they join or either opt out. Folks, making $10,000 per month has never been this easy. All you do is join and stay the course. Great things are happening. Now, here's also Money Order Freedom, folks. There's 2 subscriptions. We've got the 1-year plan, the 2-year plan. And basically, the 1-year plan is $2,000, and you pay $2,000 residual. And the other one is 2-year plan. You pay $5,000 residual. I got people right now lining up to come into these plans right now. It's just that good. And basically, folks, when you pay, you're paying for the basic or either deluxe membership in American Build Money up front for either 1 year or 2 years. The 1 year is equivalent to the basic. 2 years, you get all the benefits of the deluxe. Just that simple. Absolutely great things are happening. Get on the call, folks. We're going to have the tribute to Revan Wilson. And we're going to give you the full presentation of what this program has done and it's currently doing and it's going to do. Now, let me show you one more thing, folks. American Bill Money. Let me show you the /cart. Okay, here we go again. Shop by category, printed material, online material. You can, those are subscription prices. I'm not going to get into that right now. Look at the printed material. We got, again, the drop cards, the flyers, the leads, the done-for-you mailing, the money order material. It is all here, folks. Everything you need to build a $10,000 plus per month income is right here in American Bill Money. All the money that you would ever need is right here. Folks, we want you to get on the call. Get on the call, invite somebody, and it's on a tear to the upside. We want to invite you to come partner alongside of us. Can you mail a flyer? Can you mail a postcard? If you said yes, you can make $10,000 plus per month